Let's start by adjusting the shot volume. Grind, dose, tamp, and trim your portafilter. And then press the menu button to enter the main menu. Use the grind amount dial to navigate through the menu to the 1 cup custom icon or the 2 cup custom icon. To select, press the dial. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head and press the desired cup button to start the default pre-infusion. To customize the pre-infusion, press and hold the same cup button for the desired pre-infusion time. Extraction will begin when the button is released. To stop the extraction at the desired volume, press the cup button. The LCD and cup button will stop flashing and the machine will beep to indicate the custom setting has been saved. The machine will then return to ready mode. The custom setting you have just created can now be activated by pressing the same cup button you previously selected. Different beans require a different water temperature to extract their optimum flavor. To start, press the menu button to enter the main menu. You can use the grind amount dial to navigate through the menu shot temp. Press to the dial to select. Use the grind amount dial to increase or decrease the shot temperature as displayed on the LCD. Press the dial to confirm the desired temperature. Once confirmed, the machine will return to ready mode. As a general guide, if the espresso is tasting sour, increase the temperature, or if the espresso is tasting ashy, lower the temperature.